Hi guys, my name is Nonima Tigela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about Advocate Baloyi, the state prosecutor. Guys, it's hard for him. That we must just admit. It's hard for him. That man, I don't know how he became the Black Excellence. I don't know. People were busy calling him on the comment section, Advocate Baloyi, Black Excellence. I am failing to understand how he got that title. I don't know about you, but I'm failing. In fact, ever since the state case started, in fact, when the Senzo Mewa case started, 2023 July, that's when I paid so much attention. I don't understand how Baloyi got to actually be like, I'm watching. Be like, I don't know why people are calling him that. State prosecutor George Baloyi can't keep up, guys. He can't keep up. He is unable to do anything other than shenanigans when it comes to the defense. There's nothing there. When the defense presents strong, fact-based arguments, he falls flat all the damn time. Even single time, every time, guys, every time. Ayikho nje imini that you can say, yo, Baloyi did great here. No. When it comes to arguments, let's talk about arguments only. He falls flat, point blank. His responses lack depth, structure, and conviction. It's like he's forcing a weak case to survive instead of defending it with skills. He lacks those skills, guys. He doesn't have them. Yabana, what Ramsipile did, everyone was the best when it comes to the defense, ne? But Ramsipile, when he got up, he said, I did not sleep. Ujad Ratawam undermine. He take it very lightly. What's no, never. But when he did his presentation, he showed them flames because there was authority left, right, and center. He went to America, to London, to PP. He was like bringing things back, forth. He was like, I'm here for it. I did my research. He did the bloody research that Judge Rota said he must do. He did all of it. Damn, he was on point. I was so impressed. The reason I'm comparing that is that I don't care what Baloyi can bring because Baloyi is not honest. His integrity is flawed. Mshololo once said this. His integrity is flawed. He's not honest about the entire situation that happens in that case. That is why I suppose he is struggling. He is struggling. Umlis also once at one time said, Ubaloyi with his struggling evidence, struggling case, struggling everything. He struggles. No, guys, everything is a struggle. Oh, yeah, everything is an apartheid era. Yeah. It's an apartheid era. There's a struggle for Ubaloyi. Guys, he struggles. I don't know how he got to be called Black Excellence. I don't know. The more he pushes, the more the cracks show in the state case. Baloyi struggles in the state struggle. Hey, every time he tries to act smart and whatever, the defense becomes very sharp and critical. And what Baloyi does, it captures the growing public frustration with how he's handling the case all the damn time. And I don't understand why he can't get it. I don't understand. Honestly. They call him Black Excellence, but in Senzo Mewa trial, Baloyi's performance, it tells a different story, guys. A different story. He never gets anything right. Evidence arrives in drips and drabs. People must fight for it. And the defense has to fight tooth and nail just to get basic disclosures from him. They had to fight tooth and nail. It's not excellence. It's chaos what he does in that courtroom. It's chaotic, everything that he does. Baloyi runs the case in ambush mode, always one step behind, yet forcing ahead as if the truth will somehow adjust itself to the mistakes. Every time he tries these things, he falls flat, guys, because the defense always comes back. One of the other mistakes that he has done was to undermine the gents and the lady. He undermined them a lot, and that worked against him. Maybe somewhere he was excellent. But here, that thing of coming with that mentality of undermining his colleagues, it's dealt with him a big time. I don't know how and why and who started that thing of him being black excellence, because it's not showing. Abom Shololo are dealing with him and they call him into order. Nisi calls him into order. Umalo also, true authorities. Ramusipili, true. And they all learned that he's not an honest man. And I remember there was a time Umnisi said, "My Lord, I don't speak privately with the state. I speak here on record because I know how they operate." That's now that is now the record that he has. He said, I think even in corridors by NPA, they speak about him, they laugh at him. I think even in corridors, they laugh at him by NPA because what the hell is this? What is he subjecting people into? I've never seen something like this, guys. I have never seen someone who forces things the way he does and still falls flat even after forcing them. He forces issues, but he still falls flat even after forcing those issues. Ayikho into emambela kahle, guys. Ayikho at all. Hayi. Mr. Baloyi, I wish someone can drop a comment there and tell how did he become black excellence? Who started that nonsense? Who started calling him black excellence? Because what the hell is this? What on earth is this? Akuna black excellence Angela. Yo, mina, Aishem, Angas, I don't know. Sure. Hi, Aishem. Like every time I think about it, I go blank to try to see. Ubano watubalo black excellence. Because wow. Every time, for instance, what he's doing to Muzi now, it's exposing him left, right, and center. He's not stopping. Someone needs to tell him, if it happens that you guys are busy looking for the defense lawyers, stop it. You're not going to find them. I mean, the defense witnesses, you're not going to find them. Stop it. Obviously, they are hidden because a lot has happened in this case. A lot. This case is very dangerous, Baloyi. No one is going to act clumsy when it comes to it. Someone needs to tell him, my guy, you really need to get your ducks on the road because this is not it. NPA, why is NPA allowing Baloyi to continue doing this to himself? Okay, they will deal with him after he's done with the case. Both of them Sibanda. Because gomunye loyo. La Sibanda, gomunye loyo. Usibanda. Gomunye nje. But the time will tell, guys. I want to know who told Baloyi that he is black excellence and why? Or who came up with that? Why did they get the Senzo Meyiwa case? Is that was a great opportunity for him to show us his reason, his excellency. But no. All we see is him flogging the horse, that is a dead horse, flogging, and it's not helping. It's not coming alive. Anyway, guys, drop your comment on the comment section, your thoughts. Let me know. Why do people feel like he's a black excellence? Because I see no excellence here. Someone, every time they have to argue about something, he falls flat. Who writes for him his arguments? Because nothing is helping, guys. It's sad. It's a sad state of affairs. Let's talk with comment section. I want to hear your views. Please drop your thoughts there. Please make sure you do not forget to like, to share, to comment. And most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed. Lastly, please make sure you watch the videos up until the end. Thank you so much. I will see you on our next video. Bye-bye.